Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta side mirror, updated. Begin by safely parking and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts, then remove interior trim panels to access mirror bolts. Take care with clips to avoid breaking them, and note wiring connector locations for powered mirrors. Keep mounting screws organized and compare the new mirror to the old one for correct fit before installation. In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fiesta side mirror, updated. Start by assembling a trim tool, ratchet, and Torx bits. Lay out a towel to protect paint. Remove the interior triangular trim carefully to reveal mirror nuts and wiring. If the mirror is powered, unplug the connector after supporting the mirror. Compare the replacement part to the original and confirm screw alignment before fitting the new mirror in place. In this video, I will help change Ford Fiesta side mirror, updated. Support the old mirror, then remove the mounting nuts and disconnect any wiring harness. Swap the mirror, align mounting studs, and hand-tighten nuts before torquing to spec. Reconnect the electrical plug and test adjustments and heating quickly while panels are still off. Replace interior trim, ensuring clips engage securely, then reconnect the battery and verify full function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.